Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm going to be making Oobleck. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you need is a bowl and a spoon. So we're going to need cornstarch, water, and cup. So first thing you need to add is cornstarch. So we're going to open the cornstarch. Carefully put it in. And don't fill it up to the top. Just like that. And then I'm gonna add it in. You gotta be careful because Oobleck can be a little bit messy, so yeah. Okay, we're gonna add 3 cups. So that was 1 cup. It's 2 cups. And 1 more. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna add water. Okay, so we're gonna need 1 cup of water. And now we're gonna mix. So once it starts to like come together, then that means that it's turning to Oobleck, which that's what it just started to do. I'm gonna try to add a little bit more water. If it's like looks like mine right now, which is it's basically Oobleck. You're just gonna need a little bit more water. So now we're gonna mix it.
You need to add 2 cups of corn.
I'm gonna add 1 more cup of water. And now I'm gonna add 2 cups of cornstarch. Okay, so no more cornstarch. Cause we don't want it to add like start. Okay, now it's like, it looks liquidy. See? But like actually, it's hard. Oh, it's so hard to move. Especially with okay, so you can add food coloring. I don't know if I have food coloring. Okay, so I have red, so I'm gonna 1, 2, 3. All right, I added some red food coloring. You can add any other coloring, but I'm adding red. Oh, it's hard to mix with a spoon. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 more. Okay. It actually feels like Oobleck. Wow, that's cool. Look at that, guys. It's not. Okay, so it looks like this. It should be hard. Oh, my spoon cut. Oh, it should be hard and look liquidy. You guys are allowed to use your hands. I'm just not gonna use my hands because it can be hard to get off. Oh, that's cool. Okay, just if your like food coloring is not mixing, then it's gonna take a while because it took a while for me to mix, which it's still taking hard because I have like a plastic spoon. But if you're using a spoon, use a metal spoon. It's like hard. I wonder what it feels like. Comment down below what it feels like, cause I. Alright, that's the end of today. If you liked it, subscribe, and bye guys.